Case file number 006, the back loop procedure. This is case file number 006. We are reviewing newly restored footage. The subject demonstrates a specific structural modification in the textile arts. The back loop single crochet. Evidence indicates this technique yields a distinct ribbed effect, providing necessary elasticity and stretch often utilized in the construction of hats. The procedure begins with standard protocols. A rudimentary slip knot is formed. The subject establishes a foundational sequence, chaining 10 discrete units. An additional chain is added, and a standard single crochet is executed across the initial sequence. The hardware is inserted, yarn over, and pull through. The foundational base is set. Observe the pivot at the end of the row. The material is turned, and a single chain establishes elevation for the secondary level. Standard procedure dictates penetrating both upper loops of the prior stitch. Here, we document a deliberate deviation. The subject directs the hardware downward. It penetrates the central aperture between the two upper loops. The hook isolates only the posterior loop, grabbing that back stitch. A yarn over follows, and the fiber is pulled through. This specific isolation technique is repeated across the entire sequence. The hook enters from the top, targeting only the back loop. Insert, yarn over, and pull through. The continuous manipulation yields a distinct textural shift. Structural integrity is maintained, while adding functional stretch to the textile base. This concludes our observation of case file number 006. Analog crafts for a digital world.